Hello, dual enrollment students, and welcome to Rio Salado College's online library. My name is Sarah. I'm a librarian at Rio, and I'll be your guide as we explore some of the library's resources that we have available to help you as you move through your dual enrollment course. Rio's online library is your gateway to find incredible, high-quality sources for your research and assignments, something you won't always find with a quick Google search. As you move through not only this course, but perhaps beyond into other college courses, knowing how to use the library and its resources can really set you up for success. Here's what we'll cover today: a general overview of the Rio library and how to navigate it, how to search effectively using OneSearch, exploring our MLA and APA citation guides, and finally, how to get help whenever you need it. You can get to Rio's library a number of ways. Google Rio Salado College Library, click on the library link from the top of the main Rio Salado College homepage, or go right to riosalado.edu/library, or use the link I dropped in the video description below. The library homepage is your starting point for everything you need research-wise. You'll see links to databases, citation help, subject guides, and more. One of the most important tools you'll use from the library homepage is this search box called OneSearch. You're probably great at searching for information on Google, but OneSearch is a little different. While Google brings you results from all over the internet, some reliable, some not, OneSearch focuses on high-quality academic sources that your instructors actually want you to use, not random blogs or social media posts. OneSearch includes books, ebooks, scholarly journal articles, newspapers, and more. And the filters it contains can help you find exactly the type of source you need to be using way faster. Let's look at how it works. Let's say you're writing a paper on climate change. You can type climate change into the OneSearch box on the library homepage and hit search. Of course, you can add in additional terms like climate change and impact on oceans, or climate change and wildfire risk, but we're going to start simply with climate change. You'll get a lot of results, but don't worry, you can use the filters to narrow things down. On the left side of the results screen, you'll see several filter options to help you focus on the types of sources that best meet your needs. Want background information to help you understand the big picture? Use the resource type filter to select books. Looking for current events or real-world examples? Scroll down in the resource type section and choose newspaper search. Need expert research or a source your instructor would consider highly credible? Choose peer-reviewed journals to view peer-reviewed articles written by experts in the field. These articles are written by researchers or experts in a subject area and are reviewed by other experts before they're published. That review process, called peer review, helps make sure the information is accurate and reliable. Scholarly articles are usually more detailed than news or magazine articles. They're a great choice when you need strong evidence to back up your points in a research paper. Some instructors will even require you to use them. Everything in your OneSearch search is already immediately available online, so you don't need to worry about clicking a full text limiter. To get this article, for example, I'll click on the title of the article, and then I may be prompted to click on the link for the database itself. OneSearch is a little silly like that sometimes. So I'll click the databases link under Available Online. Important tip: when you click on a result to access the full article, you'll be asked to log in with your MEID and password. After that, you may be prompted to approve the login through Dual Mobile, the two-step authentication app. Make sure you have Dual set up on your phone so you don't run into delays. I've dropped a link in the description for Dual help and password reset info as well. Once you're logged in, you can read the article online, download it, or email it to yourself. You'll also see a Cite button or tool that can help you create an MLA or APA citation. Just remember to double check it for accuracy using an APA or MLA guide. OneSearch is awesome, but sometimes it's helpful to go directly into a specific database, especially if you're looking for a particular type of information. To browse the full list of databases available through the library, go back to the library homepage and click on Databases. This page shows you all of the databases the library subscribes to, organized by subject and type. Here are a few reasons you might want to search a database on its own. If you're researching a specific subject, like health, education, or business, using a database focused on that subject can help you find more targeted, relevant sources. Some databases specialize in visuals or statistics that are hard to find in OneSearch. One great example is Statista. This database includes charts, graphs, and statistics on just about any topic you can think of, like sports, social media, public health, politics, and more. If you're creating an infographic or giving a persuasive speech, Statista can be a great place to find supporting data. And it's easier to find that data by going straight into the database rather than using OneSearch. Now, let's talk about citations. I mentioned double-checking the citations that the databases give you against APA or MLA guides to make sure they're correct. The library's citation help page is a great place to go to double-check that any citations you get from the library's databases or another source are actually correct. From the library homepage, click Citation Help to find guides for both MLA and APA formats. Each guide includes examples for how to cite books, journal articles, websites, artificial intelligence, and even shows you how to format your works cited or references page. So if I was citing a newspaper article or an article from a scholarly journal, I can click on News or Journals to find out how to cite those items. When you're working on your assignments, these guides can save you time and help you avoid losing points for formatting errors. Okay, last but not least, what do you do if you're stuck or confused or just not sure what to do when it comes to using the library, figuring out if something is credible, or finding articles on your topic? Good news, we have 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat support available to you from real human librarians, not robots, all day, every day. You can access Ask from the library's homepage, but there are also links in our databases and OneSearch. If you ever need help or are feeling like you don't understand what to do next, please hop on over to Ask so we can help.